years, I fought cell phone signals all over the country. In the early days, you hardly got anything outside your home range when you were out RVing, especially when you got into remote areas. It got a little better where there's more towers, but you're still going to a lot of remote areas that may not have as good a coverage or the strength that you need on your cell phone. Well, there are some products that are out in the market today that you can use to boost that signal, and one of them we have here. They've got the Winegard RangePro Cell Booster with SureCall. And we've got one of the systems right here, and basically what it is, it's an outside antenna that you would find a place to mount either on the side of your RV. They do have a different bracket that you can put it on the top with more of a U-shape. So this would be your antenna signal coming in from the cell provider that you have. A coax cable here. And now if you're going to do a lot of camping and you want to keep this permanently mounted, you probably want to bring this someplace through the roof of your RV. Typically it's best to put it over somewhere where you have a cabinet inside. You can hide the coax. Just make sure you find out if you've got any electrical wires, 12-volt wires up in that roof area. Temporarily, you could just bring this down through a window and hook it up. We're going to hook up one side to the outside port here, the antenna. The other side is going to come into our receiver, and this one will basically, it's got the various different LTE, cellular systems, you know, whatever signal you're bringing in. We're going to hook that coax to this, and then this would just sit somewhere inside your RV in kind of a nice open area, free to a lot of to the signal going out to a lot of different places in your RV. So you're basically going to boost the signal in it. You do have a 12-volt adapter if you want to just put it up on the dash of your motorhome and plug it into the power outlet up there, or a 120-volt power source if you're going to put it in back in the kitchen of your trailer, fifth wheel, toy hauler, and so forth. So what this does basically, it takes that signal, those two bars, it's going to boost that inside your RV and even on the outside area as well, and you're going to get better signals, better download speeds, better cell service out in your remote areas. It is the Winegard RangePro Cell Booster with SureCall.